Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable Eye Comfort Shield on Samsung Galaxy Ultra or any other Samsung phone. So, if you use your phone a lot in your daytime or nighttime, you continuously use your phone very much, then it is recommended to turn on the Eye Comfort Shield. So, to enable that, we need to go to the settings, and here we will find the display option in Samsung Galaxy Ultra. And once you click on that, firstly you need to turn on the adaptive brightness, or you can change the adaptive brightness if you wish. And the second setting which is recommended is the dark mode if you watch if you spend too much time with your phone. The next thing, the most important thing, is there in the scroll down, and you will find Eye Comfort Shield always on. So once you turn off and turn it on, once you click on that, you will have the color temperature. You can set it adaptive, but I have set the custom, and the slider is almost at the right hand side, and that works for me because I spend at least 4 to 6 hours in a day. You may be using more than that. So this is how you can enable Eye Comfort Shield in Samsung Galaxy or any other Android phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.